Here's some tips and tricks about how to be successful with your Talon igniters. First off, I pull the wire to the side so I can open it really wide. You can see that nichrome wire in there. Now I'm going to put it onto the fuse of this firework. And I put it on from the side, being careful not to slide it around. And after that, we will put tape around the Talon itself, and then on the wire in the bottom of the body of the firework so it couldn't get away. So when I take it off, you'll see how it's actually bent the wire there. So these are very fragile. So once you put it on, leave it on, put some tape over, make sure it hooks on. So the second thing is, at this end, what I do is I like to separate these, and so that I've got more room to work with, and then I double those over so I have more contact at the speaker terminal, like that. And that's how you do all that. So then when you put them in your speaker terminal, you get some good connection. So finally, I'm going to show you this firework that we've set up for a show. And you can see here how we've put tape over the Talon. We've hooked it onto the firework. We put tape over the Talon, and then we put more tape, sort of stress relief on this end, so in case it gets pulled. And so you can set up all of that ahead of time, and then when you go out into the field, you just have to hook it up to your firing system.